Yeah, very good morning, friends. Welcome to Christian's Universe of Sustainability. So we are in line with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Those are 17 goals with aligned with 169 targets. In this video, we are going to discuss about the sustainability practices and programs which is taken by the American University there in Massachusetts in America. And in the world, many number of universities are stepped into the sustainability activities towards to take the green university and to promote sustainable development in that entire university and the world at large. So today, we are talking about the American University sustainability. So the American University has inbuilt that the culture of sustainability in their daily activities, in the programs which are offered, in the initiative which is taken, in the corporate buildings and the waste treatment, in each and every activity, they has implemented the culture of sustainability into their activities. And the sustainability is a culture of this university that is visible and a momentum toward to take into green campus of American University. And green buildings incorporate energy efficient technologies. And also this culture of sustainability focuses on human health. And the environmental conscious grounds management, and they are planting local and adaptive species, and they're using solar energy and striving towards to zero waste, and also work with community partners to offer sustainable transportation. And the culture of sustainability of American University is evident through faculty research efforts, student involvement, and staff practices towards the American University commitment to have a small footprint and carbon neutral and to promote sustainable development. And the university has taken the sustainability plan. The sustainability plan of the university majorly focuses on three areas. Those are engagement, environment, and administration. And in that 5-year sustainability plan of American University has outlined 45 goals, which are towards to drive the sustainable momentum. And in that, they're focusing on carbon neutrality and divestment, sustainable transportation, and sustainable buildings, and other engagement sustainability activities. So here, the plans different goals like sustainably increasing the number of courses which are identified, majorly focusing on sustainability, and also support and enhance the scholarship which are relating to sustainability and also environmental justice, and establish buildings and ground standards to advance wellness goals, and expand accessibility in outdoor spaces, and expand access to wellness resources including food resources and off-campus resources, and increase involvement from students, staff, and faculty in co-curricular and other sustainability activities, and also improve sustainability literacy and expand culture of sustainability across the American University community. And the other goal, that is increase communication efforts to inform AU community about sustainable grounds, energy efficiency, zero waste practices, and transportation, dining, and other campus sustainability efforts. And they expand and create partnerships towards to share sustainability resilient goals and sustainability educational programs, and continue and expand involvement of local and global sustainability policy development, and also prioritize energy efficiency towards to prepare net zero target, and understand current resiliency of campus systems, and also to focus on future sustainability, and expand on-campus solar production and other renewable through utilization of renewable energy resources, and also meet 5% of all new construction energy needs with on solar projects. And other goal, that is decreasing existing building energy consumption to align with the DCs, that is building energy performance standards for universities. And other goal that is and sustainable building management, sustainable best practices in campus buildings, and sustainability data sharing, and also follow the lead green associates and for the sustainable building, and also expand and diversify the tree canopy in the university, and achieve net zero by 2030 and eliminate single-use plastics on campus and capture 100% pre-consumer organic waste for composting from every dining location on campus, and increase single stream recycle rate by 50% and decrease overall campus waste by 20% by 2030. Another goal that is reduce single occupancy vehicle traffic and improve trafficking methods to capture university travel information for GHG inventory. And other develop support for offices to purchase from local, small, and other business enterprises towards in plan for sustainability in purchasing activities, and reduce paper usage and also paper waste on campus, and support sustainable durable goods vendors, and also minimize food waste, expand food recovery, and reduce waste from packing, including elimination of single-use plastics. And other that is sustainability advisory committee, which mainly relevant issue discussing relevant issues like advisory committee on social responsible investing. I integrate sustainability into implementation of the strategic plan and campus plan. So these are the major sustainability goals of three areas which are focusing on engagement, environment, and administration. And the carbon neutrality about the American university. The AU proudly announced that this is the first university urban campus, first research university in the America which achieved the carbon neutrality. And the EU achieved carbon neutrality 2 years ahead of the ambitious target of 2020, and also to focus on reduce overall emissions, use renewable energy, offset the small demand. And the UU also focuses on different programs which is relevant for the students and staff and the other areas focusing on sustainability. So those are EcoPledge program and EcoRep program and sustainable events, sustainable host, and also sustainable tours and green event guidelines, and sustainable fund, that is American University Sustainability Fund majorly advances the university activity pursuit of sustainability by providing financial and administrative support for campus sustainability projects. And other student organizations which are relating to environment, energy, and like AU Beekeeping Society, AU Community Garden, AU Outdoors, AU Sunrise Hub, AU Zero Waste Club, Climate and Conservation Policy Club, Climate Reality, Engineers for Sustainable World, COVID Sustainability Club. So these are the different organizations which are set up by students and staff towards to promote the campus sustainability. And also some of the other programs like Green Office program, which promoting sustainable practices in office across the university, and Green Home Guide, and other university plans, sustainability plans like management building temperature policy, green building policy, green cleaning policy, sustainable purchasing policy, tobacco and smoke free policy, university space heater policy, and zero waste policy. These are the different policies of the university. And the major focusing areas towards to greening the AU or green buildings, energy, dining, sustainable purchasing, social sustainability, and zero waste. So in that green building, American University is committed to building and operating spaces that are, conducive to living and working and learning and environmentally friendly and healthy spaces. And the green buildings majorly to reduce their environmental impact through energy and water efficiency, and low impact and healthy building materials, and also sustainable operations and maintenance procedures. And there are many buildings in the American University which are certified by the LEED. And next, focusing on energy and engineering, which majorly functions like operate and maintain safe and reliable utility services for campus facilities, and also drive and university towards intelligent and sustainable energy uses, promote awareness of engineering and requirements and decision making based on facility of life cycle cost. And American University strives to provide its students, staff, and faculty the variety of healthy and sustainable dining options. So, which is focusing on dining of area. So here the AU's dining service partners as a towards to sustainability work together to provide campus community with food and locally sourced, ethically produced, healthy and organic and at lastly delicious food. And in that, the AU has taken some of the initiatives like AU Farmers Market and AU Community Garden. And next, sustainability purchasing of American University. American University environmental impact extends beyond the border of campuses through products they are choosing to purchase. Responsible purchasing helps majorly to reduce emissions and keep waste out of landfills, and also supporting for local communities. Um, there also established that is Office of Procurement and Contacts, which are majorly helps offices which focuses on sustainability standards of purchasing. And next, in that, sorry, sustainable purchasing, they're focusing on buy recycled paper for printing and support vendors that print on 100% recycled and also FSC certified paper. And also, they use reusable bowl, plates, utensils, and mugs, avoid single-use disposal options. And next, the focusing on the social sustainability of American University. So here in that, they're focusing majorly on energy efficiency and planting trees, which is about making all people and future generations can strive towards the sustainability. In that plan and prepare, they are focusing on changing climate and social sustainability majorly, which is focusing on human health and access resources and environmental justice. And next, the last of item, that is AU greening, that is zero waste. American University is committed to strive for zero waste sent to landfill and incineration, focusing majorly on zero waste policy of American University. And I hope you got new information today regarding that how American University has taken sustainability initiatives towards to promote United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and also greening the entire campus of American University. And if you feel this is worthy, and please share and comment. And thank you very much. We will come with a new video in the next. Thank you very much.